Hello everyone. Here is a short video to create awareness on regenerative living. What is regenerative living? It is to live in harmony within and with our surroundings. Some of our great minds in the past designed our lives around these four systems for centuries: economics, environment, energy, and equity, focusing mainly on human-centric living. We have been living our lives based on the methods, systems, technologies developed around these four systems. And we try to manage them to fulfill our need. This kind of living has considerably degenerated our planet. All the efforts by economists would be mainly about how much profit we can make from the goods and services. Sometimes, occasionally, we include aspects of local rights, little bit of climate change, little bit of sustainable growth, as if they are some sort of external entities. All the environmental studies would be mainly focused on destroying more forests for human habitat or to produce more industrial crops. All the energy studies would be mainly to find and harness our energy reserves, oil, coal, water, and to produce more energy to fulfill our human needs. These days we are hearing a lot about equity. It is simply about equality. All the equality studies would be in favor of certain communities. And sometimes, occasionally, justice is served in fairness without any discrimination. Last year, the entire humanity together has discovered this fact. The fact that we are an integral part of our environment. We are not separate entities to be managed by humans. And we can no longer behave like individuals. Looking at the global crisis we have created, one may feel overwhelmed by the amount of change that needs to be done. As the change that needs to be done is enormous, sometimes we may trick ourselves to think that we are immune to this crisis and nothing is going to happen to humanity and we'll be just fine. But there are clear facts right in front of us. As we are living it now, we are very much inside this current crisis. Now, what is it that we can do to make this transformation take place at the individual level? Let us together innovate to regenerate our planet. Start with self-knowledge. Observe our own behaviors that are contributing towards degeneration of our planet. Simply watch our purchasing patterns, our relationship with people, our energy usage. There are some great resources on regenerative living. Please take 1 or 2 courses to gain knowledge. Disrupt our own behavioral patterns. Small changes can make big difference. It is time to change. Act with responsibility. Take action as a new you. A lot of times we tend to get influenced by status quo, but we have to remember these changes are for greater good. Let us also encourage our communities. Living in harmony with the planet. Why? Because deep down in all our hearts, we know it is the right thing to do. Thank you.